Okay, I suck at this one.
Over here, you big spooky bastard!
How can you make it on top of the skybox?
There we go.
Scaled it there. I'm gonna not murder you real quick.
This is my way down. And then we can shoot back up.
Hey.
So
They attract enemies. There's two of those big witch things coming up, and you're gonna want to use one of them to slide past them.
Slide past them and not kill them?
There's a good chance they'll either throw you off the roof or kill you.
Kindled.
Yep. Gave you some beer. Gave you a pint.
Big stupid head!
Shadow Q.
I invited the ultimate. So,
Yo, made it all the way up.
nice.
No, maybe it's because we're both level 5, so it's like, yeah, you.
Oh, oopsie. Woo.
Let's have bizarre celebrations. Let's forget who forget what forget well. We'll have bizarre celebrations.
Uh-huh.
Because I wanted to do a mage slash whip class. Cause that sounded so fucking fun to me.
You can do that.
And if I do pyromancy with the whip, that'd be pretty dope. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Also, I have this.
Not that far. Go back. And drop down to the right. Yep, and then go left.
Big stupid head!
Ouch. There's like no indication that he does.
I don't think he does.
Like, you know what? Like other shadows, like there's no animation, but you see your like screen go down a little bit.
Mhm.
That doesn't happen with him.
Doesn't.
No.
Notice the size, the shape, the curve.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do. That's pretty funny.
In order to get on
Oh.
top of the iceberg, you can either wall jump up this candy cane, and then wall jump from the candy
like
cane
that.
into the wall. And you should boost up onto the iceberg. Another way you can do it is if you aren't good enough to just go straight up the candy cane, you can just jump on that snowman right there, get onto the buildings, and jump onto the candy cane.
Why don't we just show him how to get on the windmill, and that would kind of
Yeah.
show both of them?
Also, the windmill's kind of easier. Well, I don't know, the water tower might be a little bit easier. Here, let me get in a
Like
good
horrifying.
viewing position.
Gonna... Beautiful. Manually save it again. Oh.